Can I help you with this? Can I help you with this? Est-ce que mwen ka ede ou ak sa? I don't understand. I don't understand. Mwen pa kompran. What does that mean? What does that mean? Ki sa signifie? You scared me. You scared me. Ou fè m'pè. I don't know that. I don't know that. Mwen pa kon sa. Where is it? Where is it? Ki kote liye? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? Est-ce que ou capable répéter ça t'appris? Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Poko ali. I feel it. I feel it. Mwen santi li. I'm rich. I'm rich. Mwen riche. I am late. I am late. Mwen en retard. I'm single. I'm single. Mwen célibataire. You are lazy. You are lazy. Ou paresse. She is young. She is young. She is young. Li jeune. He's married. He's married. Li marié. I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. Mwen malade. You are the last. You are the last. Ou se denye. I don't have time. I don't have time. Mwen pa gen tan. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. Ou trahim. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mwen kontan renkontre ou. How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Depuis combien temps wap apprendre anglais? I need some advice. I need some advice. Mwen bezwen kek konsey. How was your day? How was your day? Koman jounen ou te ye? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Eske ou ka pale pi doucement, s'il vous plaît? It's a pleasure to be here. It's a pleasure to be here. Se yon plezi pou mi si ya. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Ki passe-temps ou? This is a great opportunity. This is a great opportunity. C'est une grande opportunité. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Mwen désolé pour désagrément. Let's find our solution together. Let's find our solution together. An nou jwenn yon solution ensemble. Can you tell me more about yourself? Can you tell me more about yourself? Eske ou ka dim please de ou? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Merci pour temps ou. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Ki sa ou reme fè nan tan libre? Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. An nou reflechi sou kek ide. I am eager to learn more. I am eager to learn more. Mwen anvi pou m'apprendre plus. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Mwen totalman d'akor ave ou. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Mwen wè so vle di. That's a good point. That's a good point. C'est un bon point. I disagree, and he's right. I disagree, and he's right. Mwen pa d'akor, men pou ki sa? How do you feel about this situation? How do you feel about this situation? Koman ou senti ou par rapport situation sa? I've never thought about it that way. I've never thought about it that way. Mwen pa jam panse sou sa kon sa. I'm not sure about the details. I'm not sure about the details. Mwen pa certain sou detay yo. Let me clarify my point. Let me clarify my point. Permette mwen klarifiye point vi mwen. He will be back in 2 hours. He will be back in 2 hours. La retourne nan 2 heures temps. What do you want? What do you want? Ki softly. I want something to eat. I want something to eat. Mwen vle manje yon bagay. What is your job? What is your job? Ki metye ou? I don't have a job. I don't have a job. Mwen pa gen yon travay.